Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickBank marketplace tools for digital affiliate sales, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a ClickBank account if you haven't already. Visit the ClickBank website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and payment details. Once registered, log in to your ClickBank account. Navigate to the Marketplace tab located at the top of the dashboard. Here, you can browse through various categories of products available for promotion. Select a category that interests you and explore the available offers. Take note of the commission rates and average earnings for each product. Once you find a product you wish to promote, click on the Promote button next to it. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to enter your ClickBank account nickname. After entering your nickname, click on the Generate Hoplink button. This hoplink is your unique affiliate tracking link for the selected product. Copy the generated hoplink and save it for later use. Next, consider using ClickBank's promotional tools. Return to the main dashboard and find the Promotional Tools section. In this section, you can find banners, email templates, and other marketing materials. Download any tools that you find useful for your promotion strategy. Now, let's set up a landing page to capture leads. Choose a website builder or landing page tool that suits your needs. Create a new landing page and customize it to showcase the product you are promoting. Ensure that your affiliate link is prominently displayed on the landing page. After finalizing your landing page, publish it and test the link. Next, focus on driving traffic to your landing page. Consider using social media, blogs, or email marketing to reach your audience. Monitor your traffic using analytics tools to gauge interest in the product. If you notice good engagement, explore scaling your promotion efforts. Regularly check your ClickBank account for sales and commissions earned. Adjust your strategies based on performance metrics to improve results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.